everyone, this is Kameshwari Math Tutor. This chapter belongs to grade 8 children. This is data handling. This is a pie chart. You please adjust children. With hand I am drawing, that's why pie chart didn't come properly. Okay. If we use compass means you will get a circle properly. You please adjust. Okay. We will go to the question. By seeing this pie chart, we must answer the given question. Okay. What is the question? Read the given pie chart. They told to read this pie chart. This is pie chart. Pie chart means a figure drawn with a circle. In that different components are there. We need to find out those components. Okay. And answer. If in the last 6 years, students were taken to picnic 12 times. Students were taken to picnic 12 times. Students went to a picnic. How many times they went in the last 6 years? 12 times they went. See here, 12 times means totally 12 times. That is equal to, what is this equal to? Total frequency of all observations. All of you understood, ma? Total frequency of all observations. All of you understood? Now, then find the number of times students were taken to each of the following. Totally they went 12 times. In these 12 times, how many times they went to Jantar Mantar? How many times they went to Children's Park, Fun and Food Village, different island, Adventure Island and Fun and Food Village. They asked you to find out how many times. Totally they went 12 times. In the 12 times, how many times they visited Jantar Mantar, Children's Park, etc. Okay. See here in the given question, see what they has given in this pie chart. They gave angles. Adventure Island 90 degrees, Jantar Mantar 60 degrees. See here, this is the diameter. If this is 90 and 60, how much? Total 180 degrees. 180 plus 90. Sorry, 90 plus 60 is how much? 150 degrees. 180 minus 150, this is 30 degrees. I forgot to write, but we can find 30 degrees. Children's Park is 30 degrees they gave. Jantar Mantar 60 degrees they has given. Food and Village, how many degrees it is occupying? 180 degrees. Adventure Island is 90 degrees. Now you must find out separately. They have given in the form of a degrees, angles they give. You must change it into a frequency. All of you understood? What is the formula related to angle? These are all the angles of a sector. These are all sectors only, no? This is one sector. All 4 sectors are there. These are all sectors. What is the angle related to sector? Angle of a sector. Angle of a sector is equal to angle of a sector is equal to frequency of observations by total number of frequencies of observations into 360 degrees. This is the main formula to find out the angle of a sector. This angle. These are all the angles. To find out those angles, you need to apply this formula, compulsory. But in the question already they has given angles. But no problem. By using this only we can find out. How? What is the first question? A. Jantar Mantar. Jantar Mantar. See here, what is the formula for finding angle? Angle of a sector. Jantar Mantar, how many degrees is equal to, how many degrees? 60 degrees. Okay. We must convert these degrees into frequency. Okay. In this, in place of angle of a sector, what can we substitute? 60 is equal to frequency of observations. How many times they went to Jantar Mantar? We don't know. By number of frequency, total number of frequencies of observation. What is the total number? How many times they went to picnic? 12 times. You must write down 12 here into 360 degrees. Okay. Now, angle of a sector. You must write this formula here, ma. I am not having sufficient place. That's why I am directly substituting in this formula. Angle of a sector 60 degrees. 60 degrees is equal to, don't write the degrees. 60 is equal to frequency of observation. We don't know the frequency. How many times they went? Frequency by total number of frequencies. How many times they went to picnic? 12 times. So, A by 12 into 360. Understood? 12 ones, 12 threes. Okay. Implies 60 is equal to frequency into 3. Okay. I want frequency. I don't want this 3. I am cross multiplying. Into 3 is there. It comes to the denominator. Division. Into becomes division. Multiplication becomes division. So, 60 by 3 is equal to F. 3 ones, 3 20s. Implies frequency of Jantar Mantar is equal to, what is that? 20. Any mistake is there, ma? 12 ones, 12 30s, ma. Here 0 I forgot. 0. 1 0 1 0. 2. How many times they went to Jantar Mantar? 2 times they went. All of you understood? I forgot to write 0 here. Because of that, I got 30. Again I checked, ma. 2. 0 and 0 will cancel. 2 is the answer. Like this we must find out. What is B question? B question. They asked children's park. Children's park. Angle of children's park. Angle of children's park. What is the angle of the children's park? Children's park. 30 degrees. 30 degrees. So, substitute this 30 degrees in the same formula. No change in the formula. Angle of a sector. What is the angle of a sector? Angle of the children's park 30 degrees. I am writing here 30. 30 is equal to frequency we don't know. Frequency by total number of frequency. How many times they went to picnic? 12 times. 12 into 360 degrees. 12 ones, 12 30s. Same. So, 30 is equal to F into 30. F is what here? Frequency. So, 30 is equal to F into 30. I want F value. I am cross multiplying into 30. It comes to the denominator. That means division. Becomes division. Or multiplicative inverse of 30 is 1 by 30. 30 by 30 is equal to F. 31, 31. Implies F is what here? Frequency of what? Children's park. How many times they visited children's park? Frequency of children's park is equal to, how many times they visited, ma? F is equal to 1. 1 time. All of you understood? How many times they visited children's park? Only 1 time. Okay. Same like that, C question. What is C question? Fun and food village. Same like that, fun and food village. See here, angle of fun and food village. Angle of fun and food village. All of you see here, what is the angle of fun and food village? This is the angle. How many degrees? 180 degrees. 180 degrees. Substitute in the same formula. Angle of a sector means angle of a fun and food village. In the place of that, what can you write? 180. 180 is equal to frequency of observations. We don't know frequency. Write down frequency. Frequency what? Number of times they went to fun and food village. Okay. By total number of frequencies is how many? 12 times they visited. Into 360. 12 ones, 12 30s. Implies 180 is equal to F into 30. I want F value. Cross multiply this 30. 180 by 30 is guys, F is equal to 6. Here what is F value? F value means number of times they visited food and fun. Number of times they